What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to Tyler's shop, Ice Cold Air Auto and Muffler, to do a mid-muffler delete, because it's what you do with the Hellcats. They have cats, they have mid-mufflers, and they have resonators. So you delete the mid-mufflers and it just wakes up the sound a little bit better. So we're on our way there now, and just to get in line and get it done. So yeah, once we get it done, we'll come back and we'll do the normal cold starts, drive-bys, revs, before and after. So I hope you enjoy it. No promises, but I'll try.
Well, that's kind of why I was like, you have trouble. I would actually feel a little better, because I tried repeatedly. I'm like, what the hell? There's got to be something I'm doing wrong. Okay. See, it's not just me. I'm so glad it's not just me. That's a burnout. Look at that. Makes me feel a little bit better though that it wasn't just me, because I tried and tried and tried this morning and I could not figure it out. Well, at least we didn't waste any tires.
Because that did a good burnout. Camaro, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, I asked him to. I love it. And it's not too loud, like when I'm, there's almost no drone.
do y'all think? I like it. It's a little bit louder, not super loud. Took it to Tennessee in the mountains. It was awesome. Put it in sport mode. You come around this bend. The downshift sounds awesome. Hit the gas. Sounds really good in here, not super loud. No drone. I love it. And I noticed in the videos that it sounds a little bit raspier, but trust me, in person it's not raspier, not like Coyote raspy. It sounds really, really good. You know, not super loud, just a good tone. You know, on the trip to Tennessee, open it up in the street and the mountains and the tunnels. Good sound, good sound. And then you just go drive it, have some fun with it. There's a cop right there. I'm gonna ease into it. I love that you can hold a paddle and it just goes into the right gear. The car turns and it sounds good. Come to the slow curve. You look, downshift. You go again. So yeah, I liked it. We weighted the mufflers and it was 5 pounds each. No restriction. Straight through. So yeah. And it still has the mufflers and the cats and the valve. So that's pretty much it. If you keep it between third and fourth and you're kind of going on the slow end and you hit the gas a little bit and you let go, it has some pops, not super loud, nothing like Kristina's card. I wish it was like that, but no. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's muffler delete on the Challenger Hellcat. I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube about it, but this is my version of it. So yeah, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. What do you want to see? What's next? We already did a couple other things. Got videos coming by. So don't forget to subscribe so you can see what's next. Till next time, peace. That sounds with the windows down. That's enough.